In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Smartsheet account. It's a simple process, but your account settings can be a bit tricky to navigate if you're not familiar with the layout. Whether you're moving on to a new project management tool or just taking a digital detox, I'll guide you through the necessary steps to close your Smartsheet account smoothly. Start by logging into your Smartsheet account. If you're using the desktop version, simply head over to the login page, enter your email and password and gain access to your dashboard. It's important to remember, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, to keep your credentials confidential to avoid any unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll find your account icon, a small circular icon that often contains either your photo or initials. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a menu with various account options. It's designed to give you quick access to all the important settings you need. From the list of options, you'll need to select the one labeled Plan and Billing Info. This section contains all the details about your current subscription plan and payment method. Accessing this is crucial as it leads you directly to the information required to proceed with cancelling your account. After entering the Plan and Billing Info section, you'll see an option that says Cancel Account. Clicking this button is the first step toward closing your account permanently. Now, this might prompt some warnings or confirmation messages reminding you of what you're about to do. Smartsheet may also ask the reason for your departure. Think of it as feedback for them to improve their services. The final step involves selecting Deactivate Account. It's a direct and final confirmation that you wish to proceed with cancelling the account. Be mindful that deactivating means all your data associated with Smartsheet will no longer be accessible, so ensure any important documents or information are backed up before doing this. By following these steps, you'll successfully delete your Smartsheet account. It's a straightforward process, but double check all information and data before confirming the deactivation. This will prevent any loss of data that might be important later. That's all for today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and efficient in managing your Smartsheet account cancellation. If you have any further questions or require additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.